Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're unboxing our December Merry Mistletoe box. So we are all festive here. We have the faux fur accented bathrobe, we have the fireplace on, and we are so ready for Christmas goodness. There are so many festive scents in this box so that you can have the most Merry Christmas. So let's get started. So first we're going to start off with our Christmas Mint Artisan soap. This soap has a light and clean mint scent, so it's not too overpowering. So if you're having Christmas parties, this is the perfect soap to lay out because it still smells festive, but it's not overpowering if somebody is sensitive to scents. It takes the crisp mint notes of peppermint and eucalyptus and balances them out with some sweet and herbal notes. With enriching additives like cleansing zeolite clay and oils like abyssinian and camellia, this soap is a great balance of exfoliation and cleaning. It smells just like a cup of peppermint tea actually, so if you love peppermint tea, this soap will make you very, very happy. Next we have Spongelle's giftable Body Wash Infused Buffer in Peppermint. And this comes in a little ornament packaging so you could hang it on the tree, which I think is so cute and like so luxurious. Like your ornaments are turning into gifts. It's so cool. Or you can just use it for yourself. These buffers cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish your skin because they have soap infused into the sponge. So when I'm in the shower, I love to use this because it's just like an all-in-one. It makes the shower so quick. If you're rushing in the morning, you need everything to be done at once, this is a really, really cool sponge. Next we have the Eucalyptus Aromatherapy Bubble Bath. This has eucalyptus and mint essential oils, and they work together to develop aromatherapeutic effects for the body and mind. Energizing eucalyptus oil can bring the body and mind into complete harmony and promote relaxation. You can use this as bubble bath or as body wash. And can I just, okay, the smell. When I was unboxing this, when it first arrived, I was floored. It smells just as strong as sniffing a bottle of eucalyptus essential oil. It is so potent in the best way. It's not overpowering, it's just so true to what it is. I am so excited to use this, and look at the gorgeous color. It's so beautiful. If you're thinking of gifting some items in your box, I mean, like, this would be a really good one to gift, but it's also a really good one to keep, so just keep that in mind. And next we have the Primal Elements Argan Oil of Morocco soap. This soap has notes of white flowers, juicy citrus, and sultry vanilla, and contains pure argan oil from Morocco. The soap is also vegan and it's made in the USA, and this is the perfect soap to display in your guest bathroom. It is gorgeous. Everybody who walks out of that bathroom is going to come and comment on how gorgeous the soap is. It's like a work of art as well as being a wonderful soap. And next we have our Rose Gold Lips by To Go Spa. They are micro-infused collagen gel masks with hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E, with added resveratrol, rose extract, and gold powder to create a supercharged anti-aging lip restoration mask. This moisturizes, rehydrates, and soothes your lips and smooths out lines and wrinkles around the mouth. These are so much fun to use, and like the shape is just so fun and like whimsical. So I've used these before, so what you want to do, like, this is a mask where you put it on and you just relax. You don't put it on and like work on the computer, as I have tried and failed, because you do need to be kind of laid back a little bit for the mask to rest on your lips and not to move, so just keep that in mind. Next we have the Cranberry Christmas Vanilla Bath Bomb. So we have sprinkled sweet cranberries and a rich vanilla blend with Epsom salts throughout the bath bomb, which makes for an amazing soak. And then next we have our classic Santa's Cherry Almond Bath Bomb. This is one of our most popular scents, and you might want to save this one until Christmas Eve. And this is known to be one of Santa's favorites because the rosemary and almonds smell absolutely delicious. And for our shower lovers out there, we have two shower steamers. First is the evergreen eucalyptus scent, and then the alpine snow scent. And if you didn't know, these also work as mini bath bombs. So if you usually don't have a bath, but you're traveling and the hotel you're staying at has a bath, or your friend's house has a bath, you can use these as a mini bath bomb. So just pop them into your bath and you can enjoy a bath bomb, which are so luxurious. I remember years ago I lived in Australia, and I first got into bath bombs and everything, but I didn't have a bathtub, and it was so upsetting. So I completely understand the excitement when you're traveling somewhere and there is a bath. And if you opted for a surprise me option during checkout, which is a mix of the bath and shower products, you will get a variety of what you have seen in this video. So thank you all so much for watching. We are so happy to have had you here. Make sure to leave a note in the comments down below about what product you are most excited to use. I'm most excited to use the Eucalyptus Bubble Bath, but I mean, that gorgeous argan oil soap is just Oh man, I'm not even having people over at my place for Christmas this year, but I'm gonna put it in the guest room anyways in case anybody comes over so that they can see it. And if you received last month's box, make sure to leave a comment down below and tell us what your favorite product in last month's box was. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and we hope you have the most Merry Christmas, and stay tuned for January's box coming up soon. Bye!